You know what I love about Schueberfouer? I love the way native Luxembourgers pronounce it. Ah, yes. Schueberfouer. It's like every syllable is sacred and deserves to be heard.
Schueberfouer.
Schueberfouer. Give it a try. No. Ah, come on. Nice. A few too many syllables at the end, but yeah. How do you know when to stop? You know what else I love at Schueberfouer? Gromperkirchen. Who doesn't? Ich hu Gromperkirchen ganz gern. You love Grandpa who? Gromperkirchen. You know, the potato pancake? I like mine with a little applesauce. In Luxembourgish, a gromper is a potato, and a Kirschen is a cookie. So a Gromperkirchen is a potato cookie. I thought Küchelchen was like a squirrel or a weasel or something. Kvishelchen is the word for squirrel. This is Kieshelchen. So then a Kvishelchen would be a squirrel cookie, right? Technically, yes, but there's no such thing. Anyway, the first Schueberfouer was held in 1340, almost 700 years ago. Which means that a quiche flavored with squirrel cookies would be a Kvishelchen quiche. Okay, cool. They should have that at Schueberfouer. Yum.